Hello again. A few years ago I bought this 12 gauge slug mold. It's a Lee drive key mold, and while I tried it a few times with different wads and different power loads, I didn't have a great deal of success with it. The center pin on them looks like this, and that's what turns out the drive key slug. And before I found out that there was a company that made new center pins, I made a new center pin myself that changes the geometry of the slug. And now the slugs will fit these wads that are designed for the Russian slug mold. This is what they look like when I'm done. I put them on with a screw, and you can see there the screw just sticks out through the top layer of the wad. It doesn't go into the cup. And so I've loaded up a few of these to try them. Now the way I load them, of course the Lee drive key slug is supposed to be loaded in a shot wad, and the slug itself is a smaller diameter than the bore of the shotgun. When it's in the shot wad, then it's the correct diameter. So just to keep everything lined up and straight, this is what I'm trying. I've made some sleeves out of old 12 gauge hulls, just cut rings of them, and took a section out so it fits snugly. And when you load them up, you drop the powder, the wad, and slug in, slide this sleeve down in there, and then the test rounds that I made, what I did with them is I put an overshot card and I roll crimped them. So I haven't tested these yet. I'm waiting for some better weather. I'm hoping that this is going to produce a more accurate slug for a smoothbore 12 gauge. The way that they were, this is what the Lee drive key slug looks like when it comes out of the mold in its original configuration. This one has got wax in it. It was one of the experimental slugs that I had tried. I tried all different kind of things, different wads, and gluing them in and filling them with wax, and never really had any success with them. So the new slug, of course, it doesn't have that barrier in the center of it, and I was able to make the slug a little bit longer in order to keep close to the weight of the original slug. And right now, what we've got now is oh, too fast. I didn't give it a chance to reset. There we go. Give it a chance. They are 442 grains, making them just a little bit over 1 ounce in total. So that should be a good weight for the whole thing. These molds apparently are made in both 1 ounce and 7/8 ounce. So it was originally a 1 ounce mold, and now with the whole thing together, I've got just a little over 1 ounce. So it's going to be pretty close to what it's supposed to be. Anyway, once I get them tested, I will post some results. See you next time. Bye for now.